Today I'm going to show you how to make no-bake peanut butter marshmallow bars. These delicious bars are easy to make and they are quick. Let's start off by showing you these. First off, line a pan with foil and spray some nonstick spray. From there, you'll want to set aside a bowl and add in 5 tablespoons of butter. And then 1.5 cups of brown sugar. And then 1 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. And then mix until smooth. Get the butter mixed in very well until it smooths out. I'll just have to keep going until it turns into a light brown color. Then mix in 1.5 cups of peanut butter. Mix until smooth. Put mixture into pan and then smooth it out with a spoon. From there, you just mix in and melt until completely smooth. And then from there, you will add it to your pan and you will refrigerate for 3 hours until completely solid. And then from there, you can just take it out, cut it up, and enjoy. Thanks, and please follow for more recipes.